When's the last time you looked under your sink? It's probably the dirtiest, most neglected spot in your kitchen. Here's how to clean it properly and keep it that way. Under the sink becomes a disaster zone with leaked cleaner spills, mystery sticky spots, dust, mildew, and complete chaos. Most people avoid it until it's a serious problem. Let's fix this today. Here's your step-by-step process. Step 1. Empty everything out completely. Yes, everything. Step 2. Check for leaks and water damage. This is important. Step 3. Vacuum or wipe out debris and dust. Step 4. Spray with cleaner and let it sit to break down grime. Step 5. Wipe down all surfaces including the cabinet door and pipes. Pro secret. Line the bottom with a waterproof mat to catch future spills. Use a Lazy Susan or pull-out organizer to maximize space. Most importantly, do this quarterly to prevent buildup and catch leaks early before they cause expensive damage. Found water damage, mold, or a mess too big to handle? Our professionals can deep clean, sanitize, and help you catch problems before they become disasters. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, 256-633-6332, or visit bearbrushcleaning.com.